you have reached Scheller Business Solutions. Just so you know, I'm an AI receptionist and can help with most things just like a human could. How can I help you today?
Hey, my name is Mike. A buddy of mine referred me over to you guys because I own a small landscaping business here in New York. And I guess he had caught something that was being shared about an AI employee that answers phones or something like that. So I just wanted to see if I could learn a little bit more about that.
Hey, Mike, welcome aboard. First off, shout out to your buddy for the referral. He's got great taste. Let me break this down for you. This AI employee is like the superhero sidekick your landscaping business didn't know it needed. Imagine having someone who answers every single call, no missed opportunities, no voicemails, and does it exactly the way you'd want. It's like having a 24/7 receptionist who never takes a lunch break or a sick day. Here's what it does: answers calls instantly. No hold music, no delay. Your customers feel taken care of right away. Books appointments. It can schedule jobs or consultations directly on your calendar. Upsells services. If someone calls about lawn care, it can suggest add-ons like mulching or seasonal cleanups. Keeps you stress-free. You focus on running your business while it handles the routine stuff. And the best part? It's a fraction of the cost of hiring a full-time receptionist. Seriously, one missed call could cost more than this thing does in a month. So, Mike, what do you think? Want me to send you a link to check it out or dive deeper into how it works?
I got a couple more questions in regards to it. It all sounds great to me, but you know, I probably missed like three calls last week when I was on the mower, and by the time I called one back, the one person had already booked with another landscaper. Um, so that's not any good. This is definitely something that you can go and help with.
Oh, Mike, I feel your pain. Losing customers because you're out there hustling on the mower? That's like leaving money on the table while someone else grabs it. And yeah, that's exactly what this AI employee is built to fix. Here's the deal: it doesn't just answer calls, it captures those leads before they even think about calling someone else. While you're busy making lawns look like golf courses, it's booking appointments, answering questions, and even upselling services like, hey, would you like to add a fall cleanup package to your lawn care? Think of it as your secret weapon against missed calls. Even one saved customer could cover the cost for months. And let's be real, how often do people wait around for a callback these days? If you're not answering, your competitor is. So yeah, this AI's got your back. Ready to explore how it works and make sure those missed calls never happen again? Should I send you a link to check it out or book a quick demo? Let's make those calls count.
Not yet. I mean, overall, your voice is pretty good, but like you not sounding like a robot, is that consistent? I don't want my customers getting annoyed or something or hanging up, obviously.
Oh, Mike, I hear you loud and clear. Nobody wants their customers feeling like they're talking to a robot. And trust me, this AI is anything but robotic. It's designed to sound natural, like a friendly professional receptionist who's on brand for your business. It mirrors your tone, your vibe, whether you want it warm and conversational or sharp and to the point. Plus, it adjusts based on the caller's mood. If someone's frustrated, it stays calm and helpful. If they're just asking about pricing, it keeps the chat snappy and efficient. Your customers won't even realize it's AI. They'll think you've got the best receptionist in town. And the best part? Every caller feels heard and valued, no matter what time they call. Want to test it out with a demo call? I can send you a number to try it out with your business name and see for yourself how it feels. What do you say?
Yeah, sure, that wouldn't hurt.
Awesome. All right, hang on. I'm shooting a text over to you right now so you can make the purchase. I can't wait to work with you and your business. Can I help you with anything else? Done. The text is on its way, Mike. You'll be able to check out the demo and see how it works firsthand. Anything else I can help you with while we're at it?
Yeah, I mean, I was just curious about the pricing. I got to be careful with expenses, and hiring an actual receptionist is out of my budget right at the moment. So, what's your pricing?
Totally get it, Mike. Hiring a full-time receptionist can be a budget killer. Here's the good news: this AI employee is way more affordable. We're offering founders pricing right now, and you've got two options. One, $299 per month with a $500 setup fee. Two, $2,990 per year, which gives you 2 months free and waives the setup fee. Now let's reframe this. Compared to a live receptionist who'd run you at least $3,000 a month, plus benefits and taxes, this is a steal. Even one missed call turning into a lost job could cost more than the monthly fee. And honestly, it's designed to pay for itself with just one or two new customers a month. Think of it as an investment that reduces stress, grows your revenue, and keeps your business running smooth without the overhead. What do you think? Want to lock in that founder's pricing?
Well, obviously you can answer the phone, you can answer some questions and stuff like that. You touched upon a couple other things, but maybe you could just repeat yourself a little bit. What else can you do besides just answer the phone?
Oh, Mike, this AI is like the Swiss Army knife of business tools. It does way more than just answer the phone. Let me run it down for you. 1. Books appointments. It syncs with your calendar to schedule jobs, consultations, or follow ups. No back and forth needed. 2. Upsell services. If someone calls about lawn mowing, it can suggest add ons like aeration, mulching, or seasonal cleanups, basically turning small jobs into bigger ones. 3. Sends reminders. It sends appointment confirmations and reminders to your customers, so nobody forgets their booking. 4. Handles FAQs. Whether it's pricing, availability, or do you do snow removal in winter? It's got the answers. 5. Collects leads. If someone calls after hours, it captures their info so you can follow up and never lose a potential customer. 6 provides 24/7 coverage. Whether it's 2 p.m. or 2 a.m., this thing's always on, making sure no call goes unanswered. 7. Escalates urgent calls. If a customer has an emergency like a tree fell on their yard, it flags it for immediate attention. 8. Sends directions or info. Need to give a customer your address or service area. It can text or email that info directly. 9. Upscale image. Even if you're a small team, this makes you look like a polished professional operation. And honestly, that's just the tip of the iceberg. It's like having a full team working behind the scenes while you're out there doing what you do best. So, Mike, what's the verdict? Ready to let this AI take some weight off your shoulders?
Yeah, I mean, this is a lot of information just over the phone. I would love to get more information, maybe via email about the AI employee. But overall, uh, I feel like I'm ready to get started here.
Oh, I love to hear that, Mike. Let's get you set up for success. I'll send over all the details about the AI employee to your email so you can review everything at your own pace. And since you're ready to roll, I'll include the steps to get started right away. What's the best email to send this to? Let's make sure I've got it right.
Yeah, it's Mike@lawns.com.
Awesome. All right, hang on. I'm shooting an email over to you right now so you can make the purchase. I can't wait to work with you and your business. Can I help you with anything else? Done. The email's on its way, Mike. You'll have all the details you need to get started. Anything else I can help you with while I've got you?
No, I don't think so. I mean, you have anything else you want to add?
Honestly, Mike, I think we've covered it all. You're about to level up your business in a big way. Just imagine no more missed calls, no more lost customers, and a way less stress while you're out there crushing it. You've got this. If anything else pops up, you know where to find me. I'm rooting for your landscaping empire, my friend. Go get 'em.
Yeah, thanks.